So here's how you can control the focus on iPhone camera. So let me show you how it all functions. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, you can get inside of your camera like that, and in order to focus on a different places or different subjects, you can just click on it and it will adjust the focus and exposure to make the subject visible and focused on, right? So that is how you can do it, like in the most fundamental and basic way, right? So you point your camera at something, you click on it, the little square appears, and you know that it's focusing on that subject. You can also hold down on it and the exposure and focus will be locked, right? So even if something moves or you move to a different place, it will stay exactly as it is because you locked it in a place. So I mean, it works, it gets the job done, right? So that is something which you can do. But if you need a bit more and if you want to be a bit more professional with it, I recommend my viewers to download some different video and photo capturing apps, like different camera apps. So you can look up the App Store and find the app which is called Final Cut Camera, for example. It's developed by Apple, so it's not even technically a third-party app, but you can get it for free. And there, when you control the camera, the focus can be switched from the automatic to manual. And there it gets very interesting because you get to control it exactly as you want, right? It gives you much more precision. So you can even enable a feature like the focus peaking, which will like highlight the focused subject with a green outline, which can indicate to you where the camera is being focused on. So that is something which you also might be interested in, something you might want to do. So let me know in the comments below if you now know how to control the focus of the iPhone camera. And if you have some more questions, let me know about that below as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos too. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.